Hello everyone, today we're discussing how to use AI to human right of IsolatedStudy. There is option AI to human right. You have to simply search isolatedstudy.in in Google. We also share a link in description. Then we have to go into sign up button. Then for new user, you have to buy subscription. You have to first click on register button. Then you have to send a payment. Also, the price is very low. You can check after registrations, and also we will share the link of registration. Also, we will share a video how to send a payment and how to buy a subscription. Then we have already subscription. We are going to be a login page. Then we have to simply put credentials. Then it will show the protected page which having a subscription. There are few portals available in this IsolatedStudy. Here is Ask Expert, AI chatbot, AI to human right. We are today using an AI to human right. Then we have to click on AI to human right. Then we are using a chatgpt.com to generate an AI content. Then there is an AI content you can check here by using zero GPT. Then we simply paste here and then click on detect text. Then it show 100% AI GPT content. Then we have to simply put here and here paste. We have to paste here content and then click on convert to human right plagiarism-free. Then simply he return plagiarism-free content and AI free content in the form of human right. Then we have to simply detect text and then it will show a 0% AI chat GPT. Thank you for watching our video.